wake up before the sun hits the city towers. I don't count the minutes, I just claim the hours. I see the Incanyamba in the red and green. Trading
right. Yes. 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 Nvidia. It's picking from. Say something. That's 90. Yeah. No, it's. I don't know. Here. Scroll down here. Yes. Yeah, it should be going. It's okay. It has been set automatically. Go live. Yeah. Now we're live. We'll find out. No sound detected. Check your audio system. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Okay, so now on the other screen. Okay. Guys, can you hear me? Right. Can you guys hear me now? 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 Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for welcome back. But I can hear you well. Okay, Pio, Pio, good to see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you guys are tuned in from. We are super, super excited to be here this morning. It has been a journey, but finally we're here, guys. And I've got super good news, ladies and gentlemen. I've got super good news. Right now, you can see my screen on both YouTube and TikTok. We are both on YouTube and TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are on TikTok right now, I can tell you for a fact you can't see the screen as good as those people who are on YouTube are seeing it. It's just super amazing. Thank you so much for joining us this amazing morning. You are super welcome to this amazing, amazing, amazing podcast. Oh, sorry, a podcast. It's a live. Right, ladies and gentlemen. So I just want to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you one more time because it's been a long time, but finally we're here. Thank you so much for joining. Marie, good to see you here. Pio, good to have you on board. Where did you shave? Man, I went to the US to get shaved and then came back. Godfrey, good to see you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. EK, good to have you here. Eric Robinson, good to have you here. Bambi, hi, how are you? Good to see you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Vogoleza, thank you so much for coming on board. It's amazing to have you guys here. OG, the one and only. Come on, let's go. Hi, Breeder01, good to have you on board. Gary, hi. Costas, thank you so much for coming on board. Albi, good to have you here. Thank you guys for coming. It's been a journey, but finally we are here. All right. So now, first things first, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, first things first. So on the 5 minutes time frame, this is 3 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, we have seen a break above, but I wouldn't want to take an entry here for a buy. For those people who know how we trade, this is going to be the right time for us to take an entry for a buy. But the reason as to I'm saying it's not very good for us to take an entry for a buy here is because look at this one here. This was the most recent low, and that's the most recent high. That is, the market is still moving right now. So the whole of this is a massive move from down here all the way up there. Okay, so if you take the entry for a buy going up, there's a high possibility this market could retrace and take you out. So the best thing to do right now is one, either to wait for this market to come back to this zone. See this zone here? Come back for this zone, whereby it's going to be, man, I can tell you for a fact, if you're on TikTok, you're not seeing what YouTube is seeing right now. YouTube is seeing, and all this, ladies and gentlemen, is happening courtesy of the one and only. Let's go, man. He did an amazing job. I'm telling you for a fact. Let me. I wish I could just show you, guys. If you're here on TikTok and you want to see the full screen, massively and superbly done, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Go on YouTube right now. Go on YouTube. You are going to see some super amazing stuff. Musical Jack Guru was here yesterday when we were doing the testing, and he loved how YouTube was looking. So right now you can see him saying, I am moving to YouTube. Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. So it's looking super amazing, and it is full screen. That's the beauty of it. It's full screen. Right now you guys are just seeing a portion on TikTok of my screen, but when you are using YouTube, it's just, oh, what happened? But if you're seeing, if you're on YouTube, you're seeing everything clearly. I've seen the new look. Yes. So guys, those who are on TikTok, thank you so much for joining us. But I'm telling you, if you go on YouTube right now, Mirage Tech Trading Academy, you are going to see a screen that is super amazing, and that is where everything is looking super awesome, right? So so let's do just one thing as we are waiting to get an entry. So now what I was telling you is this: this market is looking very good. We have a nice bullish move all the way up, and this is actually a continuation from London Open, Tokyo Open. YouTube noma sana. Kijana mdogo from West Pokot anasema YouTube ni noma sana. Yes, your local man is saying YouTube ni noma sana, because YouTube is looking super great, guys. I can tell you for a fact. So if you are on TikTok right now, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. I'm telling you, you're going to love YouTube. Mirage Forex Trading Academy, that is where we are at, and it's just looking amazing. So allow me to do one thing here before we do anything. Okay, allow me to do one thing here. So we're going to go to the 4-hour time frame and then find out where we are sitting at. So this is 4-hour time frame, guys. Look at this. We have a nice, no, let's start on the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. I hope you guys can see. Oh man, YouTube. Liam, are you seeing YouTube? Are you seeing YouTube? Guys, I'm telling you, it's just amazing. Man, it's just boom. Come on, let's go. Right, so this is daily time frame, and this is the previous day high, and this is the previous day low. So we have seen a massive break on the upside. So that basically means there's a high possibility we might be looking to continue on those massive buys. And this is a zone that this is a liquidity zone that is looking to be taken out. Here we have some buy side liquidity resting around that zone, and then we also have a very nice fair value gap resting up between this price, that is 48.70 to around 48.96. We have a nice fair value gap that we're looking to tap into, but of course the market has already done a nice bullish move to the upside, so there's a high possibility we might see a nice retracement before the market does anything. So we have broken above. This is now 4-hour time frame. Every time I change the time frame, I have to check on TikTok, because I am sure TikTok people are short people. They can't see. But I love the fact that I don't need to change anything on YouTube. YouTube, I don't even need to confirm. I can move if I move the price like this, you see, TikTok is gone, but YouTube is still very okay. If I do this, I love TikTok. That is where we started from, but we have moved on. We have moved on. Right, so guys, if you're here and you're on TikTok, just go to YouTube and you are going to see the live. Right now we already have 12 people on YouTube watching. and that is super amazing. So this is now the 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. We have a nice bullish engulfing candlestick there that is giving us some nice momentum to the upside. But again, we also have this zone, which is a key zone, because that is a um, massive support zone. So there's a high possibility we might be seeing some kind of a tap onto that, and then retracement. There's a not a support but a resistance zone. It's a resistance zone. It's a massive resistance zone. It has been tested multiple times, and then after that we also have another zone slightly above it that has been tested multiple times when you check to the left. So this is an area of interest here. We might be seeing the market take out this liquidity, and then once it takes out that liquidity, there is a high possibility you might see a very nice retracement to the lower side. So that is also something that you guys need to be on the lookout for. But if you're to check on the opening range breakout, on the 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, we are looking very good. We're still waiting for the market to break out, for the market to open, not open, but for the 15 minutes candle to close, and then we are going to get a better, we're going to make a better decision once we get that close on the 15 minutes time frame. But in the meantime, the 5 minutes time frame closed above, and right now you can see it's pushing all the way down already. So that is the reason why I was telling you this is a very risky zone to take an entry for a buy, even though the breakout has happened on the upside. It's a very risky zone. We can hear you now. Ah, nice. Yes. Who is this? Somebody saying here the charts are clearly and visible. On a trend line ya 1 hour. Mirage, yes. Musical Jaguru, kuna trend line 1 hour. Yes. So if you're on TikTok, your view is not as good as it is on YouTube. But again, we are super excited to have you guys here. And if you can use both screens as I am doing, why not? Sound on YouTube is a bit low. Okay. On YouTube, yes. Let me check on that, guys. Let's check on that. Okay, we'll fix it. Michael Jerry, good to see you here. This is for the broadcast. Okay, we'll fix it, guys. We'll fix it. Michael, I want you to go to YouTube. Go to YouTube, Michael. Go to YouTube and you'll know why we took some time to set things up, and now we are back like we never left. When you go to YouTube, you'll know why. Let me check, sir. Okay. Kelele Rocky. Go to my YouTube. We are live on YouTube right now, as we are live on. Is the sound clear now? Is it clear now? Please don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok. And let's take this to the next level. We'll fix it when it's done. Guys, you'll have to bear with us. Once we're done with this live, we're going to check on it again. Remember, we did some testing yesterday, and today is like our first official day to go live on YouTube. So we should be experiencing some of that. But again, we are super excited. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, guys. Thank you for the follow. Log volume. Okay. You have to stop. Yeah, move it a bit closer. This is too close. No. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys can hear me quite clearly now. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, and we are looking at the 15 minutes opening range breakout. So now what we're going to do is, you can see this market has tapped into this high. This is where now this is the zone I was telling you about, that this is an all-time resistance zone. And unless we break above here, if we break above here, then we're going to be looking to go all the way up there. But right now the market is playing around this zone. So it's important for us to be able to know that right now the market has made a nice rally already, and there's a high possibility we might be seeing a retracement to this zone, either to this area here, to this area here, that's the first zone, and then or to this order block, the last sell candle before the massive move up. Then again, if you're using ICC, then this area that I've marked here is your 50%. This is the 50% here, but this is now the 70% here. So if the market closes below, there's a high possibility we are going to be looking for sells to catch the move, or we just wait for the market to retrace, wait for the market to retrace all the way to either the 50% or the 70%. Once the market does a retracement back to that zone, then we can literally look for an entry to push all the way up. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we are looking to see here. So we have some possible entries. We have possible entries here. This is the first zone targeting the high. The only disadvantage with taking the entry here is that you're going to have quite a high stop loss, a high risk. You're going to have quite a high risk. And if you take the entry from this low, which is the order block here, then at least you'll have a better risk, and you're targeting the high with your stop loss slightly below the low here, like this. So these are two possible areas that you guys can look for entries at. But let me check if I can see a possible entry for a sell on yeah, for those who want to risk a sell, yes, you can go ahead and risk a sell, because we have some fair value gaps on the 3 minutes time frame. If that candle closes below in the next 1 minute, then we have a possible drop, and it's also forming lower lows and lower highs on the 1 minute time frame. So that can possibly give us a nice push to the lower side, going to the 50% or the 70%, or even the order block before that massive move up. That is on the lower side towards the open of Tokyo. That is something that you guys can also look at. Then there's something here that I want you guys to look at. Look at this one, Liam. No. Look at this one. We had a fair value gap here, going up, and then we had a fair value gap going down. Retracement to the fair value gap, and then now it is pushing up. That was a good thing. You get it? So there's something here that I was just sharing with Liam right now. This here is a very perfect setup for a sell. This one here. If you see a fair value gap for the market pushing up, that's a bullish fair value gap. And then on its way down, you see a bearish fair value gap. It's called an inverse or inverted BPR. What is BPR? Will fair value gap below attract? Yes, that is what we are trying to look at here. We are trying to see. So if this happens, there's a high possibility the market would push on the lower side. It's only that we were still looking at this the system, but this was a perfect entry for a sell with your stop loss up here, then targeting somewhere here. This was a perfect zone for a sell, but we have missed it because it has already made a move. Next time we're going to be able to see it. It has already made a move, so that was a very good zone to look for a sell right there. But we have missed it, guys. Don't worry about it. Balance price range. Balance price range. Ah, okay, that is what you meant. Okay. So this was a perfect entry here. This was a perfect entry, but we missed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the market to give us what we call the correction. Once we get that correction, then we can take the entry for a buy. So what we're waiting to see is we're waiting for the market to go down to either here. This is the first zone here, and then the next zone is actually here. So now when you go to the 5 minutes time frame, this is what you're going to see. On the 5 minutes time frame, it is dropping, guys. It is dropping. It's dropping, guys. But I'm not in. I will not tell you that I'm in because I'm not. So I'm looking to see a rejection from this side. I'm waiting to see a rejection from this side. This here would be nice if we get a rejection here on the on the 50%. If we don't get a rejection on the 50%, it's still okay. We can wait for the market on this order block here. And then we take an entry for a buy. So the problem with taking the entry here is that you have to like put the whole of this into consideration. Because if the market decides to come to the lower side here, then you'll have to put all that into consideration. But if you wait for the market to come down to the lower side, then this is a better entry for you with a good risk to reward ratio. Oh, it is already there actually right now. It has tapped into that resistance zone. The color of blue sticks and blue candlesticks, and okay, let me change that for you. Small win. Is that better? Is that better, guys? Is that better? So we're waiting for rejection. Man, that drop was massive. Oh man, that drop was massive. So when the market taps into your point of interest, what you need to do is go to a lower time frame and look for a possible rejection. A possible rejection. Then now you can go in for an entry. It's moving down to our order block. Okay, it is at our OTE right now. It is at our OTE zone. So we are waiting for rejection before we can say we are going to go in for a buy. It has tapped into that order block. It's now rejecting. I'm waiting for the market to turn around before I can take an entry. I need to see either a bullish engulfing candlestick on the 1 minute time frame before I can say now we are in for a buy. But if you had a pending order, you're already tagged in right now. If you had a pending order, you're already tagged in. If you had a pending order, then you're already tagged in right now. If you had a pending order, you're already tagged in right now. Wow, look at that. Nice rejection on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go. Yep, it was a nice drop. Guys, if you're on TikTok right now, go to my YouTube channel. You're going to see a very clear and easy to understand, very clear uh, screen, very clean. Highs and the lows, women come on the church. This one is activated right now, guys. If you had a what? A pending order on that, you're very much active. We have been tapped in. We have been tapped in. You can split your TPs. You can split your TPs. The least the market is going to do, if you're not tapped in, if you're not tapped in, if you had not, you didn't have if you didn't have a pending order, if you didn't have a pending order, then the market, the least this market can do is give us a double top before it, a double bottom before it goes buying. So what you need to do is, if you did not go in, wait for it. If it comes back here, this one, then you can take the entry for a buy. Only risk what you're willing to lose, because trading is very risky, guys. Only risk what you're willing to lose, because trading is very risky. This one was tapped in already. How is 30 seconds? Yeah, oh, you're not checking. If you missed it, that is your buy right there. Okay. Going down. Okay. Yeah. Only risk what you're willing to lose, guys. The purple lines are your TPs. Purple lines are your TPs. Always remember to leave a runner. Always remember to leave a runner, guys. 47, 77 is your TP1. Yes. 8 and time, yes. Trade smart, be free. Okay, guys, who is in? Who is in? Who is in? If you are not tapped in here, you can either wait for a retracement or you can go in where that market is right now. But now be very, very careful, because most of the time the market will give you a double bottom at least before pushing up. So that's why I was saying, for me, I'm still waiting for the market to, I've taken an entry, yes, but this is my ultimate zone for the market to come back to before it taps in for another entry for a buy. But always remember, you are only risking what you're willing to lose, guys. This first move, this first drop tapped into that buy limit. You can see here, as we had placed it before. And for those who are in TikTok, guys, if you're in TikTok, check out YouTube. YouTube is pretty awesome and pretty clear. You can see very, very well. The candlesticks are very much visible. It's a whole screen. And we already have people watching on that side. Guys, share the live. If you're on YouTube, you can share, guys. You can share, you can share, you can share. You can share, guys. The purple lines are your TPs. And we're in massive profits right now. I just want to see it push. King Daniel, good to see you. Hi, how are you? Welcome on board, guys. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. 7-7. We are on 7-5 right now. We're waiting for 7-7. 7-7. Wow, that was a massive rejection. Guys, do you know why the market is rejecting where it is right now? It's because of this. Let me remove this one, and then I show you why it is rejecting right now. This one here. This is the main reason the market is rejecting this red line. Because it's a resistance zone. It's a massive resistance zone. That's why the market is rejecting there. That's why the market is rejecting right there, right now. So the market is giving us some kind of liquidity on the 1 minute time frame. Let me find out what is happening on 3 minutes. Okay. Can you see that rejection on 3 minutes time frame? Massive rejection there, but we thank God. We know that we are only risking what we're willing to lose. Guys, let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's go. Let's tap on the screen. Let's go. Let's tap on the screen. Let's go. This market has just tapped onto that demand zone. This is a demand zone here. So it did a nice tap on it. And let's see if it's going to hold. That demand zone tapped on it. Now let's see if it's going to hold, guys. At 5 minutes past 10. Now, for those people who are interested in classes, we are still offering our online classes. Click on the link on my bio to be able to join the class, and it's only $49 monthly. So just go ahead and click on the link on my bio, and you can be able to join the classes. All right, you can be able to join the classes. Yes, that's a buy. Costas, good to see you here. Millie, good to have you on board. Soft life is me. Soft life, can I have some? Can I have some of your soft life? Soft life is me. Let's go. Five minutes CRT. Let's find out. Yep. 5 minutes CRT. Be careful with that one, guys. Be careful with that one. So if it holds, can someone pull this up? Can someone just pull this up? We want it to go up already. 5 minutes CRT. So now if 5 minutes CRT holds, we might be seeing that double bottom before we push all the way up. So that is also something that you need to be careful with. But for those who saw this setup from the beginning, they are in massive blues right now because this was our entry here and it was tapped in by a wick, and you can see the market is pushing up. Even the first one that was here on the resistance, that is also still in profits because the stop loss was still down here. Yeah, it's in drawdown, sorry, but it's still in. It has not tapped into the stop loss yet. On the African sun, journey for freedom has only begun. ICC, yes, that's ICC, ladies and gentlemen. That is ICC right there. That is ICC. So this is the correction. Most recent low, most recent high, correction, continuation. Mirror. South African sun, journey to freedom. Mr. Sifuna, yes, we are in for a buy. 0.42 pips away to TP1. 77 is TP1. 77 is TP1. 77 is TP1. Come on. Oh, TP1 has been hit. Come on, let's go. TP1 has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, brother. XAU market will touch again. 47 possible. TP1 has been done, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let's go. How many people missed that dance? How many people missed that dance? Guys, did you miss that dance? Did you miss my dance? Did you guys miss my dance? Did you guys miss my dance? Let's go, let's go. Fly gold, fly all the way. Come on, let's go. TP2 is at 80. 47.80 is TP2, ladies and gentlemen. 47.80 is TP2. Don't forget to set break even. And now I'm ready. I'm ready. Thank you for the follow, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the follow. Guys, YouTube is popping right now. YouTube is looking super amazing. I'm telling you for a fact. YouTube is looking amazing. If you're on TikTok right now, you are not seeing anything. Go to YouTube and you're going to see what I'm talking about, guys. It's just amazing. I'm the master of... Guys, have you hit TP? Have you hit your TP? Have you hit your TP? Your first TP? First TP, guys. Guys, have you hit TP? Your TP is done, right? Lost Child, thank you so much for the follow. Jasba, thank you so much for the follow. Make sure you set break even, guys. Make sure you set break even. That's a nice displacement on the 3 minutes time frame. Let's see if we're going to see a rejection on that. Make sure you're on break even, guys. Make sure you're on break even.
Your singing is on point today, Mr. Mirage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Who sent you? Who sent you to come and tell me?
I'm coming in and it's like,
Man, this is looking awesome. Guys, are you super excited? If you're on YouTube, if you're on TikTok, go to YouTube right now. Go to YouTube right now. Go to YouTube right now. YouTube is looking super amazing, guys. The chart is clear. The candles are massive. Everything is looking super amazing. BOI.
we need to find a way where I also can listen to the music.
Yeah. You can only hear it from here, though. Yeah. But wait, but it's playing on Discord.
Yeah.
Make sure you set break even, guys. Break even for the rest of the entries if you took more than one. Who is ready for TP2? Look at that push. Look at that push, guys. From highest deep onto the lowest part. Thank you for the follow, Mohammed. Thank you so much for the follow. Ed Garas, welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming. ICC is just amazing. If you have never heard of ICC, this is something you need to learn. This is something you need to learn, guys. This is something that you truly need to learn. Because look at that. Look at that. It was very simple. The market gave us an indication that it wants to go up. Then it did a retracement back to the OTE, and now it is pushing up. Unless something happens, this market is going to go all the way to the most recent high. All the way to the most recent high, guys. All the way to the most recent high. Are you ready? Are you ready? For those who had missed out their entry, that retracement was your entry, guys. But of course, we are holding. And you see this green line here is the opening range on the lower side. Is the opening range on the lower side. This green line here is the opening range at 10 a.m. on the lower side. So that is the O at B on the lower side. We might be seeing a possible push the lower side from there, but we are holding on break even, guys. We are holding on break even. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's go. Let's tap on the screen. Let's go, guys. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Let's go. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. If you're on YouTube, you haven't followed, subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Happy in the Bible. 80 is our second TP. 47.80 is our second TP, guys. We were 0.2 pips away. I'm in the zone. TP has been hit. TP2 has been hit. Let's go. TP2 has been hit. Still holding. TP2 has been hit. Cold. Was it this easy one best machine? TP2 has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. Now we can end the live. Now we can end the live. Wait. I'm in the zone. May the peace be and we answer. Did Liam drink something today? What do you mean? Did Liam drink something today? Godfrey, what do you mean? Why? Why is he asking if you drank something today?
You don't want to know what I was drinking 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago. Guys, let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow, guys. Now, listen. Guys, listen. Make sure you have your break even with you for the last trade running. So far, TP1 and 2 has been hit. I can't wait to... If you're not on YouTube, make sure you subscribe on YouTube so that you can be able to see how it's going on. Nice. TP1 and 2 has been hit, and now we are facing that drop from that opening range breakout. You remember what I told you about this zone? We might be seeing a rejection from here, and that is what is happening right now. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Good morning. Good to see you here. There was no sound. Now it is okay. Awesome, awesome. This is now when I'm reading your comments on YouTube, guys. We can hear you now. Awesome. Albert is saying hi to you. Here chats are clear. Yes, very visible. That's very true. Kuna trend line at 1 hour. Yes. I just can't wait to be free. Chef Liam, musical Jaguru. Yes, hi. Tell him Superstar Romy is on YouTube. Okay. Future billionaire. Please approach the microphone. Okay, like this. Guys, can you hear me on YouTube right now? TP1 done. Yes, TP1 and 2 is done. Proud of you, Miraj. Good job. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Arthur. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for the follow, guys. And also, make sure, Gabriel, make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Ati. Red is the. Green is the. Zero. Wow. This was a good day one. No, I'm not yet out. You're waiting for TP2. TP1 and 2 is done. Not now. Yes, niko poa kabisa, nashukuru. TP1 and 2 is done. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have some information I need to pass across. This is for everyone who is in Mombasa. For if you are in Mombasa and you're interested in physical classes, reach out to us. Reach out to us, and we are going to make that happen, guys. Today we are starting with the online classes at 8 p.m. Between 8 and 9, that is when we're going to be doing the online class. But for those who are interested in physical classes, just send me a message, or you can click on the link on my bio and you are going to enroll for that. Is TP2 done from your side? Yes, TP2 was done from my side. That is at 80. The market went all the way to 80.40. Unless your broker played you. This is now my favorite. We're global now. Watch. Ati? TP2 is done, guys. We are both on TikTok and YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. We are both on TikTok and YouTube, and this is super amazing. You can see how the screen is blasting. Chee! We never back down, Mirage Academy. We are both on TikTok and YouTube right now. We are streaming live, and it's super amazing. Okay, guys. Nicholas, good to have you. No music for us today. Wait, there is a lot of music on YouTube right now. Wait, I think is it TikTok? You can't hear it on TikTok or on YouTube. Wait,
Where is he writing this?
he's on TikTok. Oh, he's had it. He's had it. He was saying Barakatele, hallelujah.
He has heard.
Yeah. I want to see if it's also right.
No, it's not doing anything.
Wait. Wait, there's no music on YouTube.
We'll have to look at.
Okay, guys, we'll look at that on YouTube. There's no music on YouTube. I think the music is only on TikTok. But we will look for it. Ah, we can't hear on TikTok. Even on TikTok, you can't hear. Wait, am I the only one who is hearing that? Oh my
I
God!
have heard you singing.
And it sounds so weird. Oh my. It sounds so bad when you're singing and there's no music.
Yeah.
Wait, but you said you had me sing.
Huh?
You're hearing me singing,
No,
but not the music.
yeah, but I heard from your headphones.
You're waiting for TP2. TP1 and 2 is done. Oh my God.
Not
Now, yes. YouTube is so lagging.
No, no, it's not lagging. It's just
It's right now that is
yeah,
saying TP2 and
yeah. Now.
yes. This is when now it does. I said that like 5 minutes ago. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have some information I need to pass. This is for everyone. If you are in Mombasa
We'll
and
have to
you're
look at
interested
that
in
as
physical
well.
classes, reach out to us. Reach out to us, and we are going to make that happen, guys. Today we are starting with the online classes at 8 p.m. Between 8 and 9. That is when we're going to be doing the online class. But for those who are interested in physical classes, send me a message, or you can click on the link on my bio, and you are going to enroll for that. Is it done from your side? Yes. It was done from my side. That's at the market went all the way to 80.40 unless your broker played you. Man, guys, listen. Guys, my people on TikTok, where? My people on TikTok, YouTube is a bit lagging right now, but we are going. So it's only the people on TikTok who have heard what I've been saying, but not anyone else. Guys from YouTube have not been here.
They've been hearing you.
But then later.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Guys, we are going to look into it. But in the meantime, thank you so much. It has been amazing. I think we're going to stop the streaming so that we can look into that. But we're going to come back again tomorrow. TP1 and 2 has been hit. We are still holding the trade on BE. So let's connect again, guys, tomorrow morning. I'm sure we are going to be very, very good with the systems. And thank you again for trusting us. For those who are in Mombasa and you're interested, click on the link on my bio, or you can just reach out to me and we're going to get you enrolled. In the meantime, have a blessed day, guys. Let's connect again. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Oh, man. What? I've ended the live on TikTok. TikTok was very good. At least we have come back stronger. What? guys.